Hello everyone, this is Emily, Professor of Banking from Washington, USA. It's great honor for me to discuss difference between interest rate and KIBOR, Karachi Interbank Offered Rate, on the channel of famous YouTube teacher in Pakistan Sir Gulzar Munawar. Thanks dear for streaming my video on your channel. KIBOR, Karachi Interbank Offered Rate, and interest rate are both related to the cost of borrowing money, but they are different in their specific contexts and applications. KIBOR refers to the average interest rate at which commercial banks in Pakistan are willing to lend or borrow funds from each other in the interbank market. It is determined daily by the Pakistan Banks Association, PBA, based on the rates quoted by a panel of selected banks. KIBOR is used as a benchmark for pricing various financial products, such as loans, bonds, and derivatives, in the Pakistani market. On the other hand, interest rate generally refers to the percentage charged by a lender to a borrower for the use of borrowed money. It can vary depending on various factors, such as the creditworthiness of the borrower, the duration of the loan, and market conditions. Interest rates are determined by central banks, such as the State Bank of Pakistan in Pakistan, based on monetary policy objectives, economic conditions, and other factors. To illustrate the difference between KIBOR and interest rate, let's consider an example. Suppose you want to take out a loan from a commercial bank in Pakistan to purchase a car. The bank offers you a car loan with an interest rate of 12%. This means that you will be charged an annual interest rate of 12% on the loan amount for the duration of the loan. However, the bank may use KIBOR as a reference rate to determine the interest rate on your car loan. Let's say the KIBOR rate is 10% at the time of your loan application, and the bank adds a margin of 2% to it as per their lending policy. In this case, your effective interest rate would be 10% KIBOR plus 2% margin, which totals to 12%, as per the bank's offer. So, in this example, KIBOR is the benchmark rate used by the bank to determine the interest rate on your car loan, and the actual interest rate you will pay includes both the KIBOR rate and the bank's margin. Hope you learned this. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to support Gulzar Munawar by subscribing him.